All right, hi fourth graders. So today we're going to be estimating customary units of weight, and we're going to introduce you to three different units of weight in the customary system. So the weight of an object is how heavy it is. The customary units of weight are ounce, pound, and ton. Now today we're going to be using these three real-world objects as a reference. So a strawberry is about an ounce. A pineapple is about a pound, and a ton is about the weight of a car. Let's look at our first example. Susie's father bought some sugar for their favorite recipe. Which is a more reasonable unit to use for the weight of a bag of sugar, ounces or pounds? So you have to think a small packet of sugar would be weighed in ounces because it's so small, and ounces is a small unit of weight. A bag of sugar is much larger and it's going to be weighed in pounds. So it's reasonable to say that the unit that they used is pounds. Example 2. Which is the most reasonable estimate for the weight of a leaf? 1 ounce, 1 pound, 1 ton, or 10 tons? Now remember, an ounce is about a strawberry, a pound is about a pineapple, and a ton is about a car. So 10 tons would be 10 cars. Fall would be a very scary time if leaves were the weight of 10 tons. So we can eliminate the tons right away. So a leaf weighs less than a pineapple, or 1 pound. Objects that weigh less than a pound are weighed in ounces. So the only option that contains ounces is 1 ounce. So a leaf weighs about 1 ounce. Now today, a lot of your assignment is going to be estimating the weight of an object. So let's read the first one. A paper airplane. 4 ounces, 40 ounces, 4 pounds, or 4 tons. Now, the ones I can cross off right away, I know that I'm not going to use pounds or tons for a paper airplane. Now, think, does a paper airplane weigh about 4 strawberries or 40 strawberries? It would not be able to fly if it were 40 strawberries, so we're going to go with 4 ounces. Now, that is a helicopter, a full, big helicopter. Now, I know I'm not going to use ounces for a helicopter, and I'm thinking, does it weigh 5 cars or 500 cars? I have a very hard time believing that a helicopter would weigh 500 cars. So I'm going to say it's 5 tons. And then a rabbit. I'm going to get rid of tons. Then we'd have some killer rabbits. 40 pounds, that would be a humongous rabbit. That would be 40 pineapples. I know 4 ounces is too light for a rabbit because it's definitely heavier than 4 strawberries. So I'm going to go with 4 pounds. So today your classwork is, I will show you guys. Hold on. Here we go. Today your classwork, and make sure that you keep referencing the chart on the first page. Your classwork today is choosing the best estimate for the weight of each object, and you can click and drag the dot. Then you're saying, is it more reasonable to say that a pair of shoes weighs 1 ounce, 1 pound, or 1 ton? And is it more reasonable to say that a pencil weighs 2 ounces, 2 pounds, or 2 tons? So you need to make one selection. Then you're going to draw lines to match the reasonable weight. So I would kind of think, what's the heaviest thing here? A whale is the heaviest thing, right? So you're going to want to give the whale the heaviest measurement. Write a definition of the term weight. The definition for weight is here. And then order the units of weight from greatest to least: pound, ounces, and ton. And then this says which animal's weight is closest to 1 pound. So you're going to want to go with the smaller animals for 1 pound. So we could definitely say a lion is not going to be a pound. And then you have an ant, a mosquito, and a robin. So I want you to think there are 2 things here that do not have bones. They would not weigh 1 pound. That's my hint to you, and I know you learned about it in 4th grade. If you need any help today, please make sure you reach out to your teacher, and we hope you have a great day.